Have you ever wondered what it would really be like to live on Mars? Well, soon a dedicated team of volunteers will give us an unprecedented glimpse into that future. What is happening? NASA is conducting a year long simulated Mars mission right here on Earth. This groundbreaking experiment, part of the CHAPEA Crew Health and Performance Exploration Analog series, aims to collect vital data for future human exploration beyond our home planet. Who are these brave individuals? Meet the primary crew, Ross Elder, an Air Force experimental test pilot, and mission commander Ellis, a Space Force acquisition officer, and medical officer Matthew Montmayr, a hardware engineer, design consultant, and science officer, and Jim Spicer, an aerospace and defense technical director and flight engineer. They will be supported by an alternative crew members, Emily Phillips, marine crops pilot, and Laura Mary, a commercial airline pilot. When does this incredible journey begin and end? The primary crew will enter the Mars Dune Alpha habitat on Sunday, October 19th, and conclude their 378-day mission on October 31st, 2026. This is the second such mission, building on sites from the first, which wrapped in July 2024. Where is this Mars mission taking place? Not in space, but in a custom built 3D printed 1700 square foot habitat at NASA's Johnson Space Center in Houston. And as you can see, part of this habitat includes a realistic sandbox area where volunteers simulate walks on the Martian surface. This is NASA undertaking such an extensive simulation. The goal is to evaluate human health and performance factor ahead of real Mars missions. The crew will face realistic challenges, resource limitations, equipment failure, communication delays, isolation, and confinement, along with high tempo simulated extravehicular activities. This helps NASA's understand how to mitigate risk for longer duration space travel. They will spend their time. The crew will be busy. Their tasks include conducting scientific research, growing a vegetable garden, performing robotic operations, and of course, those simulated Mars walks. They will also be testing technologies specifically designed for deep space, like a portable water dispenser and advanced diagnostics medical equipment. This data will help, according to Grace Douglas, CHAPEA principal investigator. This information will be crucial. It will provide cognitive and physical performance data, offering insights into the impact
EVAs.
of long duration missions and resource restrictions on crew health. Ultimately, this will help NASA make informed decisions to design and plan a successful human mission to Mars. This mission, facilitated by NASA's Human Research Program, is a critical step in preparing humanity for the ultimate leap to the red planet. Stay tuned as we follow the journey of these dedicated explorers. Subscribe.